Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit money in FxPro account. Depositing money in FxPro means adding real funds to your trading account so you can start live trading. And this step is only for the live accounts, not demo accounts, and FxPro supports several safe payments methods like bank transfer card and e-wallets. Below is a clear step guide. So first what you need to do is you need to open the FxPro app and make sure you have logged into your account already. So you will land on the main dashboard FxPro Direct where you can manage all the accounts here. What you can do is you can simply find your wallet in the top. You can select your payment method here, and after that you can continue on the bottom. After that you can type how much money you want to deposit as well and select deposit on the bottom. After that you can follow the instruction based on the chosen method, and once confirmed the system processes the deposit, and that is it. Depositing money into FxPro is simple process once you understand the step. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.